Where did birds come from? At first glance, they look so much like modern-day mammals and reptiles. But the truth may surprise you. As a group, birds are actually more closely related to dinosaurs than to any other creatures. Yes, dinosaurs like T-Rex and Velociraptor. Over the course of millions of years, the ancestors of modern birds evolved feathers. These feathers help them to stay warm and also to flap and glide and swoop. Feathers allowed these magnificent creatures to master the skies. But flight is not the only superpower that birds have. Some birds can find their food from 3 kilometers above the ground. Others can track their prey hiding below 2 feet of snow. And there are some, smaller than the palm of your hand, that fly thousands of kilometers in journeys that are perfectly timed and precisely navigated. Birds seem so different from us, yet we have a lot in common. They sing, they dance, they show affection, they defend what is theirs. They build homes together where they care for their young. Science tells us that birds are living, breathing, flying dinosaurs. But how have they managed to survive so long? Let's find out in the next section.